After launching Vivo Y500 5G back in September last year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in some selected global market, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Vivo Y500 4G features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC T7300 chipset paired with Mali G57 and C2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In the camera department, the Vivo Y500 4G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX852 sensor, along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,100 mAh battery with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y500 4G has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 99,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 109,999 Pakistani rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight blue and pearl white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y500 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.